In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your YouTube subscriptions on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your browser. I'll use Safari, and there go to youtube.com. Once you are on YouTube, hit on that letters icon and there select Request Desktop Website. You need desktop website to change that subscriptions settings. So now, once you are on YouTube at desktop version, first you have to log into your YouTube account. I have done that before, and once you did that, just hit there at your profile picture and there select settings. On settings, from the left vertical menu, hit Add Privacy, and now at Playlists and Subscriptions you have to find that option, Keep all my subscriptions private, and all you have to do is to hit at that switcher to enable or disable that option. When the switcher is blue, it means that the option is enabled, and from now no one will be able to see your subscriptions, or if you want to open it up for everyone, you can just turn this option off. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.